Today, we're going to walk you through the steps to change the date and time settings on your Windows 10 computer. Whether you're fixing an incorrect time or adjusting for a different time zone, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. Click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now click the gear icon to open Settings. In the search bar, type Date and Time Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Date and Time Settings window. You'll see options to set the date and time manually or automatically. To manually set the time, toggle off the Set Time Automatically switch. Now you can click on the Change button under Change Date and Time. A new window will pop up, allowing you to adjust the date and time. After making your desired changes, click the Change button to save the new time. If you want to change the time zone as well, go back to the Date and Time Settings window and under Time Zone, click on the drop-down menu to select your preferred time zone. Optionally, you can also toggle on the Set Time Zone Automatically switch to let Windows automatically adjust your time zone based on your location. Your Windows 10 system should now reflect the updated date and time settings that you've configured manually or through your selected time zone.